Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Android Studio version and the JDK path so Gradle can run. Mismatches break sync. Next, open Settings, Build Tools Gradle and check Basic Gradle JVM selection. Set it to a compatible JDK. Once done, temporarily enable offline work only to isolate network issues, then clear the Gradle cache by removing ~. Gradle caches and restart Android Studio. This forces a fresh dependency resolution and gives you diagnostic logs. Now dig into the error details. Open the Gradle console and IDEA. Log because they show which dependency or plugin failed. You should compare the Gradle wrapper. Properties distribution URL with the plugin versions in build. Gradle to ensure compatibility. Mismatched versions cause runtime class errors. Once done, run the project build from the terminal with /gradle clean refresh dependencies to reproduce the failure outside the IDE. This step isolates IDE caching from actual Gradle resolution and finish by applying the identified fixes. Update the Gradle plugin or wrapper, add missing Maven repositories or credentials, and correct any dependency coordinates. Then choose File Invalidate Caches /restart to clear IDE level state and run a full Gradle sync and build so everything re-resolves. If the problem persists, run the Gradle command with stacktrace and debug, examine the precise error lines, and consider reverting the last dependency or plugin change. That one targeted rollback often resolves stubborn sync failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.